Hey, my name is Bator from Hungary. I live the life fully. I'm a backpacker.
Yo guys, it's 10th of April today, and yesterday it's supposed to happen a lot of things, but basically nothing just happened. My friend Darius was supposed to come to my boat from Tenerife. When he landed, he called me like, I'm here, okay, I send you the location, okay. Jump to the bus, okay, and he called me back 2 minutes later like, hey Bator, something wrong. You sent me a wrong location. It's not in La Palma. And I said, what? Are you in La Palma? I said, I'm in Las Palmas. It's 2 S. And he thought I'm in La Palma. So I was just chilling in the boat. At night I went to the beach, did some yoga. And yeah, that happened yesterday. It's a new day, 11th of April. I have a nice crew, Ruben.
What's up? My name is Ruben.
Ruben,
nice.
Ruben, sorry.
It's also nice.
And my captain is Adrian, my friend. It's gonna be a bit windy today, but basically a lovely day for sailing. How do you feel, man? Yeah, guys, first time on my trip I did vomit. Big waves, yeah, shitty weather.
It was a rough start.
Yeah, that was a rough start, yeah. We just parked here near Adrian boat. What a crazy trip, and as usual, things breaking right now as well. Was a lot of action now. Let's bring some beer to my friends.
Welcome on board.
Yeah, nice. Lovely home.
Yeah.
Boom.
Bienvenido.
This is like really like a hippie style boat.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Hey guys, it's a new day, and attached with a friend's boat. I couldn't sleep so well. Just listen whole night is. So guys, it was not an easy job to park the boat here. We had a lot of discuss about with the security guard, but finally we end up in the port and we are working right now. Voila! Yeah.
take a bit more.
Yeah, how is the food?
It's pretty good, man.
Are you tired?
Not for today, from yesterday also.
Bumpy, lot of stress, like sales is broke down. Champagne! Paint when everyone else is on the beach. Need to wait until the first paint is get dry. It's so windy here. I can't believe this. Like it's like constantly like 40 knots gust and like boom, 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 boom. I'm in the port. I just paid one night, but I'm still in, so I will see. Maybe I can still sneak inside and stay in for a while. I think I will stay here for another night because we not finished yet, so we are so far away from finish. How do you feel, bro?
Feel alright. It's nice to have a fresh, cold beer.
A lovely day. Well, everyone is here to helping me now.
No, everyone's here for the tattoo.
Everyone here for the tattoo, and Danny's making a tattoo. So we're gonna put this to the back now, hopefully. Wow guys, new day and the new surprise. Look at what I just got on the top. Proper food. I finished, but doesn't work. This should work for 24-volt system and I have 12 volts. Now I finished this fucking project, and if you're gonna sell me a different size of panel I can't put it on, so it's like I'm in the port paying every day 15 euro for staying here. It's so funny. I just met Peter. We did sail together years ago from Lanzarote to Portugal. Here's Peter!
Bator
We sailed together years ago from Lanzarote to Portugal, and Aki.
from Gran Canaria.
And we are having a dinner on my boat. Fresh from the sea. That's some shells inside. So, cheers!
Sven, Bator, nice to see you again.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Sandwich time!
Yeah!
Just a little bit, yeah. We can go slowly.
Little by little. See you later! Yeah, have a fair wind! Yesterday I found a lot of free food and boom! Now I'm making a huge pot of veggie soup or borscht, or I don't know how to call it. Hey guys, it's 19th of April and yesterday Nico and his friends visited me, so we had a little chat. I'm still in Agate. The wind is pretty high, and because this wind I left my dinghy outside and tied to the boat, and I left the paddle inside. One paddle was gone, and I'm not so satisfied with this dinghy because it's leaking. I tried to fix several times. It's losing the air after a couple hours. So I was thinking to maybe get a bigger one. Yo guys, it's a new day, and today I decided to go back to Las Palmas because there's more opportunity to fix the sail, to buy a new dinghy, or buy a GoPro and find a controller or find some people who can help. I spent the last 2 days on the boat and that's it. Wow, back into the marina with Nico. He helped me to park the boat because I never did this kind of parking before with the ropes. The video, if you like it, put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, follow my journey. Bye guys.